certain amount of denial taking place with what is happening with the West Indies in ODI cricket. We keep hearing incessant discussions about rotating strike and taking singles and selecting the right players and blah, blah, blah. No one is brave or honest enough to accept that the evolution of the game and the reality that ODI cricket is 100 overs or over 7 hours of cricket per day, like a full day of test cricket. ODI is the lowest paid format of the game. And while test cricket has some residual history, tradition, and prestige, and will hang on for dear life a little longer, ODI cricket has basically become dispensable, unofficially replaced by the shorter, more lucrative T20 format. Look at it this way. If I can work 3 hours a day and get 5 times the pay that I would get for working 8 hours a day, how long you think I'm going to continue to work 8 hours a day? You get it now? You get it?